This video is for users of Communicare and will demonstrate how to add a coded diagnosis to a patient file. To record a coded diagnosis in Communicare, start by opening the patient file. On the summary page, you will see the patient's active or significant conditions, such as diabetes in this example. To add a new diagnosis, click the Add Clinical Item button or press F11. It may be that this patient, Catherine, has just been diagnosed with chronic kidney disease. Use the Clinical Terms browser to search for a condition. Type in the first few characters of the condition and then select an item with a class of condition. Enter the date the condition was first diagnosed in the date field. If a specific date is not known, enter an approximate date. If required, enter a short comment. Tick Display on Main Summary if wanting to indicate that the diagnosis is an active or significant problem, and to include the diagnosis on health summaries and referrals. Tick Display on Obstetrics Summary to display the condition in the relevant history window of the obstetrics module. Save to enter the condition. Adding a new diagnosis from a coded list is a general practice and digital health standard. There are a number of important reasons why you should always use Communicare's clinical coding system when adding a diagnosis to a patient file. Firstly, a coded diagnosis will display correctly in all places that it is required, while a free type diagnosis will not. This includes the patient summary or active problem list, the condition detail tab, the reason for medication list, on referral letters, and on summaries sent to My Health Record. Secondly, a coded diagnosis may be set to trigger certain actions in Communicare. This includes the patient indicator system, which can be set to flag patients with specified conditions in the patient search screen, and the automated recall system, which can be set to trigger recalls for patients diagnosed with specific conditions. Finally, coded diagnoses ensure that the reports that you run in your system are accurate and correctly identify patients diagnosed with specific conditions. This includes reports that generate disease registers, reports that monitor patient management, and reports that extract information for reporting to funding bodies or for analysis by researchers. This video outlined how to add a coded diagnosis to a patient file in Communicare. For more details, including practice exercises and case studies, please refer to the Communicare Learning Workbook that accompanies these videos.